On the evening of Dussehra, when it is time for sunset and the time for stars to rise in the sky, it is called the time of victory for all. At that time, do not go wandering around or look for a Dussehra ground. What will you achieve by seeing Ravana burning? Take a bath at home in the evening, wear clean clothes and light a lamp. If it's Vijayadashami, then chant 1-2 malas of Ramji's mantra, Ram Ramaya Namaha. Then bow down to Gurudev in your mind and recite the victory mantra to conquer all your enemies within. Om Aprajataya Namaha. Chant 1-2 malas of it. During this period, chanting a mala of this mantra while praising Sri Hanumanji will make even the most difficult tasks possible for you.
पवन तनय बल पवन समाना, बुद्धि विवेक विज्ञान निधाना, कवन सो काज कठिन जग माही, जो नहीं होत तात तुम पाही.
Then do a mala of your Guru mantra, and then you will see that until the next Dussehra, you will get very good results.